Yeah, I don't know how it's. Yeah, see, I don't know. You can see that. I'll post it. I'll see if you you get that on there, but only one burner's burning. Yeah, shoot. If I had the. No, I use Yeah, see, it's cycling off because we only got one burner going, so it heats up that you know, that bimetal fan limit and kicks a fan on. But then as soon as that fan comes on, it cools it off so fast because we only got one burner going. And then here's the kickstart. It's all melted the wire nut. Then the fan, the compressors, the yellow wire is going to the fan and the contactor. So, and there's no disconnect and no ground hookup. So, yeah, I got it right here. Let me, I'll get a video of that thing. See the clean one there. The plugged one. This one. Yeah, I took it out, and I mean, it's just plugged. A spider put a big old egg inside there. So let's see. I'll try to put my camera where I can video me cleaning it out. There we go. Oh man, that thing is nasty. Oh, yeah, I think this, on camera? Oh, yeah, I'm filming right now too. Yeah, whoa, I need to get one of those tripods. Yeah, I seen that one. That's pretty cool. Yeah. I have to use a wire brush on this bad boy. Yeah, this thing was plugged solid. So you got those cleaned out. Good as new. I'll videotape that crack. Do this without getting hit. There we go. Oh shoot, there's a bigger crack inside. We can't fix this bad boy. It needs to go. There's a huge. That thing runs from. Looks like it runs the whole length of the unit. Let me try to get my hand in there. Oh man, yeah, no, that thing's shot. It is shot. Yep. It's off and capped. You hear the fighter jets leaving. You don't hear it? Yeah, they're behind the trees. Let me see. There it goes. Yeah, I think they're the F-18s.